Hello everyone, I'm David from Train Day, and today I'm going to show you how to change your default language in Train Day to create your learning, training, and safety courses and all your e-learning content, right? So here we are at trainday.io. I'm going to go ahead and log in here, and we're going to use a certain PDF, which is going to be this OSHA Safe Forklift Operation PDF, right? But we want our default language to be in Spanish. So we're going to go to settings right here, and I already have it changed to Spanish. But if I want to change it back to English, I would just do that. And when you go back to create, you're going to see that your flag here is like the US flag, right? So we want to do it in Spanish. So some people get tired of translating all of their content into their desired language. So we just be able to set it from default, and all of your content is created in your default language, right? So we're going to go to workplace safety. We're going to use a PDF. I'm going to use that PDF from OSHA. Right here, forklift safety. We're going to use this data, and I want to pick a template for our course. We're going to pick this one. It's going to give us some samples with some presenters. Let's see what we get. Okay. This one looks pretty good. We're going to use this one. Click on that, and now it's creating our content, creating our slides, all of our video scripts, our video titles. It's adding presenters. It's even going to generate our first slide for us, so we get a real look and feel of how our course is. And it's going to create the interactive quiz, which you can use in a scoring package or in our own LMS. Just add your learners, they can take the quiz. And you can create even more quizzes and generate them based on all types of data sources, even just plain text or previous slides. And you can translate those into 30 different languages as well. So here's our course. Let's see what it is. It's obviously in Spanish, which is our default, which is good. Let's go look at our preview and let's see how it is.
Bienvenidos al curso sobre mejores prácticas para mantener un entorno laboral seguro y libre de peligros. En este curso aprenderemos.
So that looks great. All our slides are here. We have our interactive course quiz right here that you can just go through. That is also in Spanish. Let's see if we could go back from here, and even if we wanted to move this around right there, when you go back to your preview, everything is updated. Also, if you wanted to change this one too, like say if we went back, we wanted like an English version of this one, we could just duplicate this entire course. All right, come over here. Let's edit the name, right? Let's say like, this is gonna be like the English version. We'll save that. We'll click translate, and we could do 30 different language. We'll say English right here, and here all your slides, all your video scripts are all now translated in English. If you went to the preview, you still have to update the title, but all of your content is now in English. So hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Can't wait to see what you build with Train Day. And you can now set your default language so you don't have to translate all of your content into your desired language, right? So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.